Alright, here we're showing how to attach fabric to a window awning. We'll start out by sliding the fabric into the case with the tag facing down if the case is facing up. So in other words, you don't want the tag to be showing if the outside of the case is showing as you're sliding the fabric in. Flip it over and see how the tag is on the underside here. And he's just using vice grips to crimp down the case on either side of each seam. And we're going to cut off the excess cord at the end and replace case screws into the empty hole. Alright. Now when they insert the tube, they're going to make sure that the spring end is facing the same direction as that tag over here. So the end with the spring is coming into the pocket first. And they're going to make sure that the dimple in the tube that holds the spring in place is facing the seam of the pocket. Alright, and on window awnings, we're going to reinforce this strap with three extra rivets. And there you have it.